A forklift truck, also known as a lift truck, is a type of industrial truck used for lifting and moving heavy objects over short distances. It is typically used in warehouses, factories, manufacturing facilities, and construction sites to move and stack materials such as pallets, crates, and containers. The forklift has a hydraulic lifting mechanism with forks at the end that can be inserted into the pallets or other loads to lift and move them. Forklifts come in various sizes and types depending on the application and can be powered by electricity, diesel, propane, or gasoline engine. With their ability to move large and heavy loads, forklift trucks are an essential tool in many industries and play an important role in the efficient operation of businesses. Dear friends and fellows, this is a short introduction of forklift truck. Where to use a forklift truck? In this training session, I'm going to highlight the major components of a forklift truck, potential hazards that may cause forklift accidents or incidents, and as a site supervisor or as a safety practitioner, how you can inspect a forklift truck, how you can prevent forklift accidents in your workplace. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Do you know the major components of a forklift truck? Number one, power source. This can be a battery, gasoline, diesel, or propane powered engine that provides the energy to operate the forklift. Number two, frame. The forklift frame is the backbone of the machine and supports all other components. Number three, forks. The forks are the arms of the forklift that extend from the front and are used to lift, lower, and transport loads. Number four, mast. The mast is the vertical assembly that allows the forks to be raised and lowered. Number five, carriage. The carriage is the part of the forklift that connects the forks to the mast and allows them to move up and down. Number six, hydraulic system. The hydraulic system uses fluid pressure to power the lifting and tilting functions of the forklift. Number seven, tires. Forklifts can have either cushion or pneumatic tires, depending on the type of surface they will operate on. Number eight, counterweight. The counterweight is usually located at the rear of the forklift and helps balance the weight of the load being lifted. You are on the platform of safety first life. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and fellows. And today we are discussing about what are the major components of a forklift truck. Major component number 9, operator compartment. The operator compartment includes the seat, controls, and other components that the operator uses to drive and control the forklift. Number 10, overhead guard. The overhead guard is a protective structure that provides protection to the operator in case of falling objects. Number 11, forklifts may have headlights or warning lights to help operators see and be seen in low light conditions. Number 12, backup alarm. A backup alarm alerts workers in the vicinity of the forklift when it is moving in reverse, and it must work. Number 13, attachments. Forklift may have various attachments such as clamps, rotators, and side shifters that are used to handle specific types of loads. Number 14, brakes. Forklifts are equipped with brakes that allow the operator to stop the forklift safely. And number 15, steering system. The steering system allows the operator to steer the forklift in the desired direction. Dear friends and fellows, these are the major 15 components. Whenever you are on site, you need to inspect a forklift truck. What is your capacity or position is? You are a site in charge, you are a safety practitioner, you are a foreman or a site supervisor. If you know the components, you can easily inspect the forklift, whether it is safe or not. In the upcoming training session, I'll highlight what are the potential hazards, if not controlled, that may lead to a workplace accident. And as a site in charge, as a plant supervisor, or as a safety officer, how you can inspect a forklift efficiently and correctly to keep your work site safe and accident free. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.